What'd you get, Maya?
You got a mailbox.
A mailbox.
Can you reach that blanket there? It's freezing on this floor.
There we go.
Look it. This is what I wanted for Christmas.
That's what you wanted?
Yeah.
What is it?
Look it.
It's a matching game. Just like you have at Grammy and Papa.
Just like the princess one Grammy has.
Yeah.
Now you have your own.
I can open it. Hey, Maya, pick one, please.
Maya. Really?
Can you help her open it?
Look.
Maya. Look at Bubby.
Maya.
What'd you get, Chicky? Oh,
Yeah, what is it?
cool. Can you turn it on and show her?
You do not. That's my turn.
What is it?
Is it my turn?
Can you turn that on for Maya? Well, let him turn it on.
I'm going to.
You turn it on the side there, right there. On the side, honey. Right there, Bubba. Batman. You lucky duck.
I wanted Batman for Christmas. I wanted Batman.
Let me see him.
I wanted this for Christmas.
Let me see him. Show Mom. Got all the paper off. Show Mom.
Whoa.
Whoa, he's so cool.
Batman.
Yeah.
Super Batman. The hero.
He is a hero.
Yeah. He's a superhero.
Yeah.
Go one for Maya.
I would let you want to let him do his first.
Maya.
I mean, she can do him, but she's.
There's no present.
I see.
What is it?
We got this one.
What is it, Angel? Oh, you got it.
We got this thing. She made it at this thing.
Mickey books.
Okay. You gonna go to another one of yours?
I'm gonna put this on Maya.
In Maya's pile.
You like it?
Good girl. Push it down. All the way. Oof. Of course, this had 3 batteries when I turned it on. I'll have to do it in 2.
Connor. Connor, look. Hey, Keith.
Mm-hmm.
It's really dark.
What's that?
First one I took wasn't.
Huh?
First one I took wasn't. What is it? And you tilt it up a little.
Whoa, more wrestler guys.
Yeah, Wrestle Guy.
One for Maya. Maya, Chicky.
Look it.
Maya.
Maya. Hey. Maya. 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 Look
What'd you get, Angel? Just like Grammy's.
More stuff.
That'll make a little more sense later.
What is
We're
it?
supposed to go on the phone.
Yeah.
That's where his tag read.
Hey, you can come on with me on the bus.
Press the button to spin the letter wheel.
Go on the bus
Okay.
with my lunchbox.
Awesome. Okay. You open another one of yours.
Button to spin the letter
You open another one of yours.
Yeah, Maya's getting a little overwhelmed here. You can open another blue one.
You open another blue one.
No, mine has some more pink ones.
Yeah, well, she's really busy right now.
Are those stuck in there?
Well, how about I open hers right here?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me see it. There you go. I'm gonna open it for you. Alright.
There's a little yellow thing on her shirt.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Amanda. What is that?
What is it? It's It's a baby kitchen.
Whoa.
Look at her, she can't even. Is it turned on?
Let me see.
Yeah, here, scoot over here so we can see. Oh, bring it this way, Bubby. Has to get every piece of paper off. Right there by the stove, we'll turn it on. Whoops. Thanks.
Let's play.
Will you bring AAA batteries back with you, please? What is it, Chicky? There were some sitting on the couch last night with bed.